What makes for a great whole home renovation? Great whole home renovators understand that you must treat the whole home as a system. You start with the end in mind. You can't change one part without affecting other parts. It's critical that we protect your home while we are renovating it, because we have to deliver a home that's going to be scratch-free, dent-free, damage-free. If you want your old home to be finished, renovated, so that it's comfortable, healthy, and efficient, we have to use building science. Building science is going to dictate how we do this. If you want your home to be lifted, moved, and placed down onto a brand new foundation, we have lots of experience doing that as well. Once we are complete your whole home renovation, while the address remains and any character elements that you want to bring into your new home, it will be healthier, more comfortable, more efficient, and durable. And that is going to be the home that you can build memories with your family. If you're considering a whole home renovation, I would love to talk to you. Numbers on the website, and the call is free. Let's get started.